Have you ever wondered why we learn about ancient Greece? Let's take a moment to think about that. First, we need to understand a little bit about what Greece was like. Greece is a peninsula that is naturally divided and isolated by the mountains. Because of the terrain in Greece, they were able to grow certain crops, such as grapes, which we still associate with them today, and they were able to have small livestock animals, such as sheep and goats. This natural isolation also caused Greece to develop individual civilizations and cities that were called a polis. Sometimes these individual cities did not get along and there was war and fighting, and sometimes they created alliances to protect one another. Greece had a massive impact on many things in our world today. Let's start with architecture. Ancient Greeks are known for the columns that they used in their buildings. Did you know that we still use these columns today? Take a look at our White House and you'll see a perfect example. They had a big influence on science and medicine. Our doctors today still take an oath that was written by the ancient Greeks. They had a huge impact on government. They were a great example of democracy. Their direct democracy helped lead into the representative democracy that we use today. They used a navy and developed a large navy, something that America still uses, and other nations around the world. They had an impact on math, such as discovering the Pythagorean theorem. They left us with many great dramas and fables and myths that we still perform and learn about. They had a big impact on education in general. You had teachers who helped create new methods of teaching, such as the Socratic method, and education became very important to them. They created the idea of citizenship and being able to vote and have a voice as a citizen. And last but not least, you know we have the Olympics coming up in 2016 in Brazil. Well, the Greeks were the first ones to have an Olympics. So as you can see, ancient Greece's ideas aren't so ancient because we still use them today.